Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making masala shredded chicken. This is very tasty recipe but full of tasty flavors. Let's start. So our first step is to boil 1 kg chicken breast piece. Now here all our pieces are boiled. Now you have to shred the chicken like this. After it's done, let's move on to the second step. You need half cup of oil. And in the oil add sabut garam masala. Now add 2 medium-sized onions chopped. And here are onions golden and brown. After they change their color, add 2 medium-sized tomato. And here are some masalas: red chili flakes half tablespoon, haldi half tablespoon, black pepper half tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, and salt to taste or according to your taste. Now add those masala inside and mix well until everything gets combined well. Now after mixing, add some water and start mixing again. After we are done with all these steps, add the boiled shredded chicken and mix around so all the masala get over the chicken. So now after a lot of mixing, cover it for 5 minutes. So it will look something like this. Now to give it a tasty flavor, add 1 spoon of achar. Now here we are garnishing with some leaves and some green chilies. And here our yummy dish is ready to eat. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.